Welcome to my channel. My name is Janice. Today I'll be sharing with you a free OpenAI Academy where you can learn AI completely for free. Free OpenAI Academy. Just came to know about this. OpenAI, there's a free academy. I think they recently launched this and they provided AI courses where you can learn completely for free. And some of them, I think OpenAI is doing some certification. So you can actually take some courses and you will be certified for free. Okay, so some of the events you can just register and attend, like ChatGPT Foundation. Get started with AI. If you're completely new about AI, you can attend. This is already over. Okay, let's take a look what they have for this ChatGPT Foundation. Get started with AI. Okay, so brand new to AI, sharpen your skills through demo, real life examples and all that. Follow along. Okay, right, creating a recipe prompt, planning a trip, organizing your thoughts, preparing an interview. Yeah, so some of this grocery, how to do grocery, job interviews. They give you all this, and then you can try and practice it. Okay, so that's the training guide. You can do this on your own pace. Event finished, but they have provided the resources for you to run through and learn. Okay, the webinar. Okay, next, this one, Small Business AI Jam, coming out soon. You can register and then prompting with purpose, best practices and all that. Okay, then they have a K2. If you are a K2 teacher, this is for you. Then there's 101, 102, and then introduction of GPT 5.2. This is a new one. And ChatGPT Foundations for Teachers. Hiring job seekers, helping job seekers with ChatGPT, AI at home and all that. So all these are completely for free. You can actually learn at your own pace. And some of them you just register and attend it online. Okay, let's look through the menus here. Events, ongoing, upcoming, now, past. Okay, upcoming. Okay, or then content. Yeah, this one, featured. Prompting collections. AI for business, campus. Okay. Oh, there's a recording of this ChatGPT for education 102, education 101. This one, let's take a look. Yeah, there's a recording. There's a recording on this. Okay, you can take a look. Okay, the collections, professors teaching, OpenAI veterans, AI, what's new? Government, OpenAI for government, OpenAI for business. Sora tutorial. Okay. And just for this. So you can actually watch this, those yeah, AI classes that is over. You can actually see the recording. Okay, a foundation webinar resource guide. Right, a holiday newsletter, interview. Okay, now let's look at the community. Okay, work users, champions, admin, government, higher education, K-12. So you can sign up for some of the committees over here. Like this, go to community, work users for your daily work. Okay. Yeah, K-12 small biz. Okay, basically that's it. I just want to briefly run through what's the function of OpenAI Academy. What can you get? Okay, events, content, and all this videos. Okay, video recording. Okay, attend all the classes, the course for free. And some of them it's going to have certifications. So that's it. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. By the way, OpenAI didn't pay me for this. I'm just doing it for education purpose. Yeah, if you like the video, please do like and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.